Oh ya ka jisungo ya director jo ka school education and literacy jo Meghalaya balong ro state project director ba ula shimkhya ya kani ka jingdawa jongi patkum juro ya education minister isala ben rembui ba ila consider biang ya kani ka jingdawa jo ka seng ban pentrikam ya ka salary structure patkum juro ban kentiu ya katulog jong kinohikai SSA kibadon po ka jila Meghalaya kumba arhajar sanspa Southway ngut. Kebalai pat nagaling jungi ka asosiasyon ngibo ka jing kerpat ye boro kino hikai SSA hapo ka jala Meghalaya bakin yaisha shipor bat ka association kat ba nagaling jong ka government kadang penkre hakabaya de bat kini proposal pat kum juro ban wanra hapo ka executive committee jong ka simam ban yo ya ka approval pat kum juro ban pha chapo ka Ministry of Education Government of India ban yo ya ka jing menjur na ka project approval board. Bahalor kanika memorandum kabana kaliang jongi association ngila legbo sa state government lengbau education minister sa Lakmen Rumbu ka khandai tarik jong upnai February kaba nakaliang jongi kaseng ni dawa na kasorkar bakan pentrekam ya ka salary structure bat kumjuru ban kentiu ya kutulop jong ki khatar hajar sanspa sapwe ngut kinong hikai SSA hapo jela Meghalaya kata kalau kentup ya kinong hikai lower primary ba upper primary ban nakaliang jongi kaseng ila buru ya ka deadlines balak nugno nakaliang jong government kadai ban pentrekam ya kani ka jingdawa jongi kum kaseng hapo khat pratrik jong ubnai February jong mentau snem de mentakasngi nakaliang jong ka education department dan nakaliang jong ka government lengba ka jing ai bor ni ka authorization ka bala ai do education minister is Lakmen Rumbui nakaliang jong director jong ka school education and literacy balong ru ha ka jo kapor state project director jong ka state education mission authority of Meghalaya samagra shiksha ula khot yakren yengi ka association but hakani ka meeting la ya donlang ru administrative officer jong kasimam usa N Bhomnik bat kumjuru financial consultant jong kasimam usa R Bhatta Charji te hakane ka meeting ka ba nakaliang jong state project director lakhot ula pensngeu singi kinoyalam jong ka association ba nakaliang jong ka government adin managaliang jongi kaseng ila kerpad ka government ban re-examine ni reconsider ya kani ka jingdawa jongi uli tu hangi mentakasngi ba nakaliang jong ka government kala consider ya kani ka jingkerpad jong ka association kata kalong ban pentrekam ya ka salary structure patkum juro ban kentiu ya kutulop jong kinohikai SSA hapo state Meghalaya susu nakaliang jong director uli itu ba nakaliang jong ka education department kalap tha yu ban penkre ya ka proposal berhadin ba ula de penkre ya ka proposal halor kani ka jingdawa jongi kata ka kade ka salary structure bat kum juru ban kentiu ya katulop jong kinohikai SSA hadin ba de penkre ya ka proposal un pha pat lani un wanra hapo ka executive committee jong ka state education mission authority of Meghalaya samagra shiksha abhiyan ya kami ka executive committee lakli dau chief secretary kum chairman bat kum juru vice chairman dau principal secretary jong ka education department but ki members hapo jong kani ka executive committee kidai na ki principal secretary jong ka planning department principal secretary jong ka finance department but kiwei ki officer ni ki department baper pi kani ka executive committee jong ka simam ya kani committee kila constitute kat kum ka shithi lani ka notification ka bala pha napo ka Ministry of Education ha ka khatrik jong upnai September 2000 khatpra bakino kino ki proposal ki bayadai bat kani ka scheme samagra shiksha abhiyan la kadai ban kentiu yak tulop jong kino hikai la kadai ban upgrade ki school but kiwai ki banta ki bayar dai ba kani ka scheme samagra shiksha abhiyan kadai ban wan lengba kani ka executive committee te hadin bala yo yak approval na kani ka executive committee jo ka simam kin sapha pat chapo Ministry of Education banyo yak approval na po ka project approval board